Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've been thinking, we text like a gazillion times a day, but how much do we really know about those little emojis we're always blasting out? We're talking about those tiny faces, those random objects, those things that somehow convey deep emotions with like 3 pixels. Today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of emojis. We're going to decode their secret meanings, uncover their hidden messages, and maybe even learn a thing or two about ourselves along the way. So buckle up, grab your phone, and get ready to LOL as we break down the top 150 emojis and what they really mean. Alright, let's kick things off with the big kahuna, the GOAT, the emoji that's basically the Michael Jordan of the emoji game. This bad boy is the face with tears of joy. And let me tell you, it's earned its place at the top. I mean, who hasn't used this after a hilarious meme, a friend's epic fail, or when your dog walks into the room wearing a lampshade? Don't judge, we've all been there. It's the ultimate symbol of something so funny, it literally has you crying with laughter. And the best part, it's universal. You send this to someone in Japan, Brazil, Antarctica, they know exactly what's up. You're saying, dude, I am dying over here. So next time you're rolling on the floor, clutching your stomach and gasping for air between giggles, just hit them with it's the emoji equivalent of a standing ovation for whatever just tickled your funny bone. Next up, we've got the classic, the timeless, the always reliable. This, my friends, is the red heart emoji, and it's about as straightforward as it gets. We're talking pure, unadulterated love, affection, and all those warm, fuzzy feelings that make the world go round. Send this to your significant other, your mum, your best friend, your goldfish. Hey, no judgment here. You're basically saying, you know what, you're pretty darn great. It's a simple message, but sometimes simple is best. Plus, it's got that classic emoji charm. The kind that makes you feel all nostalgic for those early days of texting, when a simple could convey 1,000 words. So go ahead, spread the love. Send A to someone special and brighten their day. It's the emoji equivalent of a warm hug, and who doesn't love a good hug? Okay, people, buckle up because we're about to get serious. Nicely with this emoji is for when the just doesn't cut it. We're talking laugh so hard you snort, fall out of your chair, milk comes out your nose kind of funny. It's the rolling on the floor laughing emoji, and it's basically the emoji equivalent of losing your mind because something is just that hilarious. You know that feeling, right? When your cheeks hurt, your stomach cramps up, and you can't even breathe because you're laughing so hard. Yeah, that's the zone. It's reserved for the funniest of the funny, the creme de la creme of comedy gold. So use it wisely, my friends. This emoji is a privilege, not a right. Save it for those truly side-splitting moments that deserve the highest honor in emoji laughter. All right, let's take a break from the laughter for a second and check in with our good friend, This is the thumbs up emoji, and it's the digital equivalent of a thumbs up in real life. Simple, effective, and universally understood. Need to quickly agree with a friend's message? Want to show your appreciation for a job well done? Feeling too lazy to type out yes? It's the emoji MVP for quick approvals, positive vibes, and general good agreement. Plus, it's got that cool, casual vibe, like you're just effortlessly navigating the digital world with a single thumbs up. It's the emoji equivalent of being the coolest person in the room without even trying. So, go ahead, give someone a virtual thumbs up today. It's a small gesture, but it can go a long way in spreading positivity and making someone's day. Okay, time to get real for a sec, because we're talking about the loudly crying face. Now, this one can be a bit of a chameleon. Is it tears of sadness, tears of joy, tears of frustration because you dropped your phone in the toilet? Again, no judgment. The truth is, it all depends on the context. But one thing's for sure, this emoji means business. We're talking full-on waterworks, a complete emotional meltdown, the kind of crying that requires tissues, a shoulder to cry on, and maybe even a pint of ice cream. So use it wisely. This isn't your everyday run-of-the-mill tear. This is the real deal, the kind of crying that comes from the depths of your soul. Whether you're heartbroken, overjoyed, or just really, really need to vent, the is there for you. Just be prepared for the onslaught of virtual hugs and "Are you okay?" texts that are sure to follow. Now it's time to get spiritual, or maybe just really hungry for a high five, with the The folded hands emoji. This little guy is all about gratitude, hope, and maybe a little bit of please, please, please thrown in for good measure. Are you sending good vibes out into the universe? Are you hoping your favorite team wins the big game? Are you really, really hoping that pizza you ordered arrives soon? It's the emoji equivalent of crossing your fingers, knocking on wood, and wishing on a star all rolled into one. Plus, it's got that air of mystery, like you're tapping into some ancient wisdom or secret emoji code. What are those hands folded for? What are you wishing for? The world may never know, but that's part of the S charm. Get ready for a digital smooch because the A is in the house. This is the face blowing a kiss emoji, and it's the perfect way to send some love and affection to that special someone. Or your grandma, your dog, your favorite barista. You know, whoever deserves a little virtual love tap. It's playful, it's flirty, and it's got just the right amount of sass. It's the emoji equivalent of a wink and a blown kiss, all in one adorable package. Plus, it's way less messy than actual lipstick, which is always a plus in my book. So go ahead, pucker up and send A to someone special today. It's the perfect way to brighten their day and let them know you're thinking of them. Just be careful who you send it to. You don't want to start any accidental emoji romances, unless, of course, that's what you're going for. In which case, go for it. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get seriously adorable with that. This is the smiling face with hearts emoji, and it's basically the emoji equivalent of a warm hug, a cozy blanket, and a cup of hot cocoa on a cold winter's day. It's all about love, warmth, and those heart-melting feelings that make you want to squeeze something really, really hard, but like in a good way. This emoji is practically radiating with good vibes, like a little ray of sunshine beaming directly from your phone screen. Use it to show your love and appreciation for the special people in your life. Whether it's your significant other, your best friends, your family, or even your pet rock, hey, we don't judge. Just be prepared for an overwhelming wave of love and affection in return, because this emoji is basically a love magnet. Get ready to swoon, people, because the has arrived. This is the smiling face with heart eyes emoji, and it's for those moments when you're completely and utterly smitten. We're talking head over heels, love at first sight, can't stop thinking about you kind of love. You know, the kind that makes you act like a lovesick teenager, even if you haven't been a teenager in like a decade or two. This emoji is the ultimate expression of adoration, like you're basically saying, you have stolen my heart and I'm totally okay with it. Use it to express your love for your significant other, your celebrity crush, a particularly delicious slice of pizza, or anything else that makes your heart skip a beat. Just be prepared for some serious heart palpitations in return, because this emoji is basically a love potion in digital form. And last but not least, we have the smiling face with smiling eyes. This little guy is the epitome of pure, simple happiness. It's the emoji equivalent of a warm, sunny day, a good hair day, and finding a $20 bill in your pocket, all rolled into one. Use it to show your joy, contentment, and general good vibes to the world. It's the perfect way to brighten someone's day and spread a little bit of happiness wherever you go. Plus, it's just so darn cheerful. It's like a little ray of sunshine beaming directly from your phone screen. So go ahead, spread the joy. Send down to someone special and let them know you're thinking of them. It's the perfect way to end our emoji adventure on a happy and positive note. And there you have it. The top 10 most popular emojis and their secret meanings. We laughed, we cried, from laughter mostly. And we learned that emojis are basically a universal language of love, laughter, and everything in between. Which one is your go-to? Or maybe you're a die-hard fan? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for more hilarious emoji adventures. See you next time.